for, Sophia?
A princess.
Oh, I was just with the princess. Princess Anna of Arendelle. I'm not sure where she went, though. Or where I am. Where am I?
Oh,
Oh, no. Oh, no. Nope, never heard of it. Is it far from Arendelle? Because I should probably get back.
no. Olaf, I think my amulet brought you here by mistake. It usually brings a princess to give advice, but a wicked fairy put crazy crystals on it and, well, it sent you instead.
The amulet sent me to give advice? I can give you advice.
Really?
Uh-huh. Don't get too close to fire.
Oh, okay, thanks. Even if we find Miss Nettle, I don't know how I can stop her without my amulet's magic.
You know, Queen Elsa has all kinds of magic, but it still took Princess Anna to show her how to unfreeze Arendelle. And Anna doesn't have any powers, except that she never gives up and she has a big heart.
Those aren't magic powers, Olaf.
I know, Sophia. They're better.
Maybe you're right. I guess I have to try.
That's the spirit?
Now let's go find that wicked fairy.
Ooh, this bag is really messing with our dramatic exit.
I can't get free. I thought I could stop her without the magic powers from my amulet, but I can't.
Well, look on the bright side. At least that fairy got her flowers back.
Why is that the bright side?
Because now maybe she'll be happy. Like when Elsa saw how much Anna loved her and she started feeling good inside instead of bad. And all the ice melted. It was like summer and everyone was happy and I almost melted.
You're right, Olaf. I've been thinking about this all wrong. I'm supposed to make sure this story has a happy ending. For everyone. Including Miss Nettle. I know...
Crystals dip and back. Did you miss me?
Minimus, say something.
I am freezing!
Yes! My amulet's working again. I'm so happy. Oh, I better tell him. Olaf, my amulet's fixed.
That's great!
So, you'll probably be able to go home now.
Oh, I guess that's great too.
What's wrong?
Well, I was supposed to come and give you good advice, but I didn't really have any good advice to give.
Olaf, you reminded me that having a big heart and never giving up are more important than having magical powers. That's just about the best advice I've ever gotten.
Really? I guess it was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yes.
And I really meant that stay away from fire thing too.
I will.
What's happening?
I think you're going back. I like warm hugs.
That's funny, so do I.